Hello, I'm pleased to say your clock is converted and ready for return. As you can see, you've got the original hands on the front, original porcelain dial, everything is as it was. They've been adapted to fit the new movement. If I just swing the clock around carefully, you still have your back cover, so just pop off. If you look inside, you can see the new movement there. This black bit is a 3D printed sort of a holder to support the dial, pushes the dial to the front of the clock to keep it all together and stop it rattling around. So if you need to change the battery, it's just a case really of getting a flathead screwdriver going in on the left hand side, just gently prise it out to pop it out this end first, and when you put the battery back in, push this end in first. That's your little dial to change the time. That battery should last about 3 or 4 years anyway. So that's it. So hopefully it pretty well looks exactly as it did when it was mechanical. Just pop that back on the back there. And there you go, that's ready to return. So if you could just let me know when the payment's been made and I'll pop it straight back to you. Thanks very much, cheers, bye.